Okay. Morning. Getting ready to go birding out on the Finca grounds. So, yeah, getting my stuff together. Okay, now I gotta fix my GoPro again because I just pulled my. Yeah. These masks are getting in the way, but they're necessary at the moment. Okay, I got my keys, everything I need. GoPro is on. Okay, so heading out for some birding on the Finca. Okay, so birding at Finca. Just in my room. Get my gear, get my camera out, and start my mission. Yeah, so I love Finca. That's one thing I like about Finca. It's like Finca Nueva Lodge. You can come right outside. You are literally surrounded by just birds and lots of trees, forest, rainforest, you know, so that's why I love this place. Not only like because of that, the food is great, the people are great. It's just a vibe here, you know. It's like it's a vibe. I promise you. You won't be disappointed, I think, Luna. This is my third time here in 1 year. Okay, so must be something about the place. You know, if you want to be surrounded by nature, come here. You know, if you want to, and you know, Finca is actually the top 10 eco lodges here in Costa Rica. So this is an eco lodge. So you know, if you like that, you know, here you are. You know, it's like a nature feel when you're here. You know, you feel like you're one with nature here at Finca. So just check my settings. You know, that's why I love it here. It's like, you know, you feel like you're one with nature. It's all around you. All around you. So what I like to do is take a picture of the sign. Anyway, I take pictures of it, so just so I can keep in mind where the picture was taken. So first, they have birding tours here that you can get a guide. I've done it before, but because I come here often, I kind of know where to start. I'll start over here. Okay, just checking my settings again. I've seen activity up here. Like it was just really busy a little while ago, but when I got up, something's flowing there. You hear birds, all you can hear is a bunch of birds outside. Like you see them just not coming out. And right now it's 6:23. I wanted to be out here at 6 o'clock, but messing with this GoPro, trying to set it up so I can make sure my settings were nice. The parrot's going by. hummingbirds. They're always over here arguing. Who's gonna get to this flower? And hummingbirds are very aggressive. Like, very aggressive. So this is a common area here. So where I'm staying is at Casa Luna, which I love. I like Casa Luna because you can come out on the porch and it's a long balcony. So we can walk around and just kind of bird on top. Which I should have started. I don't know why. You know, let me go back up here. That's what I normally do. Because you know, you're at a higher level, you might see some things. So this is Casa Luna. This is area I like. This is where I like staying at. This particular building is called Casa Luna. And as you see, you're at a certain level. So you see some birds up here. Time I'll check up here and I'll look. Nice little hammock if you want to lay out. That's the pool. The restaurant's right here under this cover. The roof right here. That's the roof to the restaurant, and then the pool. I've never been in the pool. I'm always here birding. But look at all this greenery. So I check up here because I got some great pictures where birds are right here on this tree, and it's pretty much eye level when you're on this porch, so on the balcony. And yeah, you can get some great shots. So, all right, let's have to check up here first. Let's see. So I think I come out here for about 2 hours. I have some breakfast, and I'll finish walking. Oh, what is this right here? Should be a flower. Oh, that's a variable Seedeater. So, yoga pavilion. This is where people do yoga. This trail right here. Oh, what is that? Like I said, it's beauty. Just it's a Scarlet-rumped Tanager. And there are more rooms over here. So, like for families. So Casa Luna, the way I'm staying at that building, pretty much for individuals or maybe 2 people, maybe possibly 3 people. So these are like bungalows over here. They're for families. So this is the yoga pavilion. So I like coming over here in this area because it's a raised platform. See the bushes right here, just over here as well. So you can kind of just see a little higher. You level with some trees, not all. As you can see, these trees are really tall, but some of the ones right here. Looking at, what's this right here? That's a female variable Seedeater. So I'm not sure what kind of flycatcher this is, but of course I will flash it on the screen. Oh, where'd you go? Right here. Got a clear shot right here. Turn around. Oh, what is this? Oh, Oh, this is another Scarlet-rumped Tanager. Where is this? This Flycatcher still over here. There's a female. I forgot my binoculars. That's what I forgot. I forgot my binoculars. I'll bring them back out later. I'm pretty much gonna bird around here all day, like all day. I'm heading back home tomorrow, and so I was here just trying to do some different itineraries I can add to the workshops. What I like, what I don't like, just so I can. Oh, look at that! I have a Keel-billed Toucan. Look at the shot. Keel-billed Toucan just flew in. I landed, and I believe I got the shot. Oh, look like it's coming closer. Wait a minute. Oh, so that was a Keel-billed Toucan. Keel-billed Toucan, not Kill Bill like the movie. Keel-billed Toucan. Yeah, so I mean, you can see some great birds here, Finca. Again, I mean, look, you're surrounded by nature, trees, it's rainforest. I mean, how can you not see birds? So the Keel-billed Toucan is closer up here in this tree. I'm assuming it's Keel-billed still, yeah. Right. It's a Keel-billed Toucan. Keel-billed Toucan. Not Kill Bill. Keel as in K-E-E-L. Oh, what's this? That's the type of hummingbird. So I do a bit of both when I'm here in Costa Rica. Go to feeders, you know, but I also like going on walk and looking for birds and trying to get the best composition possible. It's a challenge, and it's fun to me, you know. That's how I started. Even when I'm just photographing wildlife, I mean, that's what I do. So I like it. I like the exercise. I like the activity. I just like the challenge. The feeders are great because you get those perfect pictures sometimes, you know. And a lot of people want those. You know, they want to be able to get a nice picture of a bird, whether they're selling a print or whether they just want to photo, you know, frame it for themselves, for their website. So people do different things. So a little bit of both is great. Because like I said, there are birds you will not see at feeders at all. So you go to the feeders, you'll see some of the common fruit-eating birds, or birds that come to get the fruit and stuff like that. But I've seen a number of birds that I was able to photograph, and I was told they're rare at feeders, or they're nowhere near feeders entirely. Something just flew in. What is this? This is a type of warbler. Let me get it from this angle. There we go. What do we have here? Barred and striped. One of my favorite birds. Definitely one of my favorite birds here. A barred and striped. These birds are so beautiful to me. Here it is. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. One of my favorite birds here in Costa Rica. Hands down. Is that it? Oh, what is this? I wonder if that was a female. That's a little bit brown. So the female is brown. She's beautiful as well. No. Yeah, that's a female. Yeah, so the male barred ant strike is black and white, and the female is brown. She has stripes too, but not over the body like the male. Mainly on the head area, I believe. And wait a minute, does she have some on the tail? No, just the head area, some stripes. But for the most part, brown back, light brown stomach. But she's beautiful. She's beautiful. You know, sometimes you have species of bird, the females in particular, that are not so colorful, but that particular bird, the female species, is really beautiful. I'm not sure. I see something hopping around up there. I lost it now, but it's in between. It's hopping in between under the branches. So that right there is a blue-gray tanager. Did I get it? Yes, I got it. That's why when you're here, and if you have a guide, you know, make sure you let them know that, hey, I want to see it, and let me know about all the birds. Because in their mind, I realized, I had to learn that it's common to them. So they're trying to show you some of the more rare species sometimes. And it's, oh, that's just a this, oh, that's just a that, and that's just a, no, I need to see this. I need to see that, because I don't see this bird often. This bird is nowhere where I'm at. So I'm in Massachusetts, so, you know, I'm on the East Coast. So I'm like, listen, what's common to you is not common to me. So even if it's a little bird, you think, oh, you can see those anywhere. Well, no, let me know. I want to take a picture now. I might not see it. So point it out to me.